Keep them coming.
Watch the stack on the left. A little lower now. Okay, hold it right there.
Yep.
Looks good, pull back. Keep it moving in lane 3. All right, bring the next one up to the gate. Hold it right there. Okay, you're good. Come on forward.
The unloading operation runs 24 hours a day, ensuring fresh produce reaches the consumer.
The flow rate seems consistent now.
Yes, the adjustments work perfectly. We are clear for the next batch.
The oranges are carefully guided from the holding bins into our state-of-the-art extraction system, ensuring peak freshness.
The flow rate is holding steady at 500 liters per minute. Good.
Check the pressure on the secondary tank.
Clarity levels look good on the refractometer.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
The readout confirms optimal separation efficiency.
Yes, the system is performing perfectly within parameters.
Maintain the current temperature at 95 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. All systems are stable and within the safety threshold.
The pectin ratio is stabilized at 1.2.
Good, let's initiate the final mix sequence.
Did you log the temperature readings?
Yes, I just updated the tablet. Everything is cooling as expected. The flow rates are consistent across all 3 lines.
Good. We are ready to increase the volume for the next shift.
In a mesmerizing display of automation, high-pressure air expands the preforms, and robotic arms immediately
alignment on this batch seems much better.
Yes, the adjustments held. Looks good for the run. The stacking pattern is holding perfectly at optimal capacity.
We are showing a 20% efficiency gain over the last quarter.
A little lower, then push it all the way in. Watch the clearance.
Final checks complete. You are cleared for departure.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Have a safe trip.
We need these cosmetics in the grey crates. Okay, I'll take this dolly inside now.
Последовательность гратис между полосами крестили кучи ножов пришло под мыши витаться столные. Во следовательно спастрочен на цигл преустоили.